When he felt confident about his own capabilities and that he can join the university, he joined the second student batch of September 2007, particularly the accounting department.
I have came across many challenges during my first year of university because of the gap between my school years and my university. In my first exam, I scored very low marks. For instance, I scored only 10 points for an exam of 40 marks.
He faced many challenges. He had difficulties with the lecture language, which was English. He had challenges in adapting the new environment and share class with younger students. It was very tough for him to catch up with the classes. In the first semester, he failed 2 courses and he scored C in the rest 3.
Initially, he had that difficulty in understanding.
At the end of the first semester, he failed in 2 courses and hardly passed in another 3 courses.
In the second semester, he showed more determination and worked harder. In his second year, he became one of the top students in his department, and in his third year, he competed for the top 10 positions in the department. During the graduation, Saleban conquered the top 10 students and received honor certificates as a grade distinction graduate.
After 3 years, Saleban graduated from accounting department and he was one of the top 10 students in his department. And he was handed an honorary certificate that were given for the students who scored the high GPA.
jaamacada
Admas University didn't only accept Saleban's application to join the university's academic program. However, after graduation, the university decided to end his profession as a driver and offer him an office work in the administration.
After Saleban got his degree certificate, he became a university admin assistant. Then later, he got promoted again and became an admin and logistical officer, whose responsibility includes making sure the smooth running of university parts as well as logistical arrangements. Saleban's surroundings described Saleban as a humble and hard-working individual.
I have known Saleban and I worked with him enough period to get to know a person. He is hard-working, humble and respectful person.
Saleban is a good person and very respectful. He was a good driver and had very good personality.
His university teacher defined him as a punctual student who never missed a class.
I am proud to say Saleban was a good student. He was sincere and obedient also. He was a regular student. I never saw him being absent in the class. So he was very regular. So really, we are proud to say that as our student.
When Saleban talks about his future plans, it's very clear that he wants to pursue his education and prepare his master's degree.
I tasted the joy of education now, and I am committed to continue my education in every new dawn. In the near future, I want to get my master's and even one day my PhD, which I am willing to work hard for.